Hi, this is Brian. Welcome you to the Web Dev Corner podcast for today. We have a channel on YouTube. Soon we'll have a website. I would love it if you like this video, or if you raise any comments, or even more, subscribe to the podcast channel because we try to do podcasts on a daily basis. Today we're just going to be going into WordPress site and looking at the plugins. So this is the WordPress admin console for a site that we manage. And all you do to see the plugins is go to plugins. From here you can see all the plugins that are currently installed on the site. A lot of web hosting companies will install probably half a dozen of them right off the bat, depending on how you answer certain questions. So one popular one is called SiteKit. That's useful if you want to have ads on your site, or submit your site to Google to be included in the search engine results. So that's a pretty good one. Another one is integrating mail with your site. If you have a place where people can ask questions, or registration that requires email validation, um, SMTP mail plugin is really beneficial. The forms one is sending forms that you have to publish on your site. But if you add a new plugin, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just go to add plugin here. These are all the WordPress plugins that are available from WordPress. So you can actually just install one here. So something to do with the form software. So just click on install. And once it's installed, activate button will come up. About it. They'll have usually a place to go to settings. So this particular one is asking which role or WordPress roles should be in the forum. If anonymous people should be able to. So you can see these are free, which is great. So that's a good plugin if you want to have a forum. Another one that I use, I'm going to install right now. If you need to add some custom code to your site, there's one. Search for code. WP code is a great one. Snippets throughout your sites. So install that. Code, and then click on code snippets. So you can do a lot of different code snippets. So just add in one, for example. Add custom code snippet. So one reason I use this is with Google SiteKit. You have to add a little bit custom header. You could put anything in there. And this would go within the header part of your page. So it kind of knows the header is where it wants to go. There's a lot of other places where you can add Either add it to the header, footer, there's some PHP snippets. If you wanted to do server-side processing, you can add headers to the admin area. And, cascading style sheets before or after. There's a lot of different events. So you can see that it's a pretty robust tool. The other thing I'll show you is if you have a blog site, how easy it is to add a blog post. So these are posts that are on this blog. There's 4 of them right now. And to add a new one, so you come up with a blank page, your blog story, and then all you do is hit publish. And there's some options here. If you want to schedule it in the future, or if it should only be with certain people, or if it's password protected. Otherwise, publish. And then I'll give you the address to it. Just go right to it. It's not going to be much, but you could add images as well. So now I just have the out of the box. You can people can make comments and stuff like that, or if they were logged in as a user, then you can get some feedback and post. So I hope this video was beneficial to you today, just to kind of see the WordPress admin console and a few things that you can do, plugins and blog posts. Thanks again.